Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest and quickest wig install. You don't even need a lot of products. I literally just use one product to melt this down, and this is a glueless wig, by the way. So if you're new to wigs, check out this video and I hope it's helpful to you. Alright, so let's get into this wig by OQHAIR, and this is just the packaging. So I'm just going to open the package and see what we have here. So we have the HD wig caps. We also have like a coupon code also with their hair info on this. And we also have a edge melting band as well. And this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. She is looking gorgeous. This is body wave hair, and let's get into that hairline. Pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleach. Are you seeing how clean that looks? And it is a deep side part. So if you're a side part girly, this wig is absolutely gorgeous and it's a must. Now you can rock it in a center part as well. The lace is a 9x6. This is a glueless wig, so you have a lot of parting room to work with. This is how the wig looks like in the back, and you can also remove the comb, which is a yes for me. I love that. You guys know how much I do not like the combs on the side. The back, you can remove it as well if you want to, but I use the ones on the back. And this is just the adjustment strap as well, and the lace just looks nice and clean. So this is a HD lace wig. So as you can see, I already have my wig cap on. I'm not going to be doing the ball cap method because I don't exactly love doing it, especially if I'm doing a beginner friendly tutorial, because I know that's not very beginner friendly. However, I'm not going to do the ball cap method because this is also not a full 13x6 or 13x4. This is a glueless wig and I want to keep it simple and easy as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just buckle this right here, so it has like these little, do that like so. Now as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and just pop that wig onto my head and see how she's looking. All right, so this is how the wig is looking. I just want to make sure that everything is adjusted properly, so I'm just going to pull my ear out because the wig is supposed to go over the ear, not sitting on top, because as you can see they have like a C-like shape that cuts out, so the wig fits perfectly on my head. And it's nice and snug, and I really love the lace on this wig. Like, it looks so good. Now you can see my wig cap kind of peeping through, so I'm gonna have to fix that up later on, but it doesn't look too bad. Now I will say with this wig, it's not very often that I get a wig that is a deep side part. You guys know I love me a side part. Not very often that I get a side part wig, so usually I have to create that part myself, but this one is already done for me, so I'm all here for that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do next is I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to style it up a bit, and then I'm going to melt down the lace because the lace does need a little bit of melting. Now I'm not going to add any glue to it because honestly it doesn't need it. It looks really good. Definitely a glueless wig you can wear and go on about your business. And I'm just going to go in with some hot wax just to get it a little bit flatter. I mean, it looks pretty flat already. I don't want to use too much hot wax because sometimes I find that it just leaves the wig looking all greasy, and that's not the look we're going for. Okay, so this is pretty much a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was super easy, as you can see. I'm just kidding. But seriously, you could just go out just like this. Like, it looks really good. It looks good, right? But I'm gonna tint this lace just up a little bit so it looks nice and seamless, because it could use a little tinting, just a little. All right, I'm gonna go in with the darker shades because I like using darker shades to tint my lace because I do wear a lot of bronzer. Just a little, it doesn't need a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter shade and I'm just gonna apply some concealer here. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret Melting Spray. This is not exactly a holding spray, so don't think you can put this on and go to the gym and go work out in sort of a storm and your wig is not gonna fly off your head. This is literally just to melt the lace down. So it's a melting spray. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of a melting spray on here. That way that lace looks nice and seamless. I'm just combing the hair out of the way. I'm just gonna apply my melting band, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will be right back. And I just want to show you guys, so even though I'm going to keep this in the side part, I just want you guys to see that this wig is also versatile. So you can change the part up if you want to. So if you wanted to do, I know this is not like the best example But if you wanted to switch it up to a center part as well, you can definitely do so. So yeah, you can definitely switch it to a center part. Like, it is a very, very versatile wig, which I love that. And as you can see, this is a 9x6 closure, so you are able to do a side part. If you don't want to do a full-on frontal, I think this is best. I personally love the 9x6s because I feel like I can still do a nice side part, I can still do a deep side part, and all my hair is still covered. And this is pretty much a completed look. I didn't even have to curl it because I already love the curls that came with it. So all I did was literally just comb it out a bit so it's not too tight. But yeah, it looks really, really good. I love it. Like, it looks flawless. I think this is one of the easiest hair tutorials I've ever filmed, you guys. I think this is one of the easiest hair tutorials I've ever filmed. This wig is truly beginner friendly, ready to wear wig. So if you are new to wigs and you have no idea how to apply a wig or glue it down and any of that stuff, I kid you not, this is super beginner friendly. The lace is already cut for you. Everything is already done, so you literally just need to pop it on your head. And as you can see, I literally just use one product to melt it down, and it looks flawless. Like, it's given. So yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. Bye.